Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekker Reviews, and in today's video I have the Anker 4-port USB hub. As always guys, if you liked today's video or if you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Anker 4-port USB hub is a device that can connect to your laptop or PC in order to provide 4 additional 3.0 USB ports. You can connect your USB devices to the hub, such as your keyboard or mouse, and works great with USB 3.0 enabled devices. The Anker hub is also great for transferring files between devices and has speeds of up to 5 GB. It weighs roughly around 35 grams and has a height of 10 centimeters with a cable length of 2 feet, so it doesn't take up a lot of room on your desk or workstation. Finally, Anker don't really recommend using this device for charging. However, when testing the USB hub connected to my phone and tablet, the USB hub would actually charge my device, but just at a really slow rate. Inside the box, you get the Anker 4-port USB hub and instructions on how to set up the device. The setup process is also super simple. Connect the USB hub to a USB port on your device. Ideally, you want to plug this into a USB 3.0 port in order to make the most of this product. If you don't have a 3.0 USB port, then locate the next available USB port. Once plugged in, the device will power on and you should be good to go from there. Overall, for £13, you get yourself a solid 4-port USB hub that comes with 18 months warranty in case you have any issues with this device. If you're like me and have loads of devices that connect to your laptop or PC, then you should definitely look at grabbing this device for your workstation. If you'd like to purchase the Anker 4-port USB hub, then you can find the link to purchase from Amazon in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Is the Anker 4-port USB hub a device that you would also purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.